Okay, sis, this is looking really good, but we've got a couple of things to finish up. Now, I just need you to cut this avocado into that salad. And I know that everyone says this, but it is so important to let your steak rest. Just give it a minute, because when you cut into it, it's gonna be so worth it.
And this creamy avocado is really gonna pair nicely with that steak.
I know. Look at the colors of the strawberries, those grilled onions.
You did a good job on those.
Listen, I know how to grill. And what I love about cooking a steak like this is that there's something for everybody. The center is a little more rare, the outside is a little more well done for the kiddies, right?
Hey, there's that dressing I made earlier.
Okay, I know. You make the best salad dressing.
I do.
I feel like I've heard this before. Okay. Perfect. Here you go. That's for you.
Thank you.
And there's really nothing like serving it up family style.
That's the way we eat at home all the time.
I know, right? Okay, help you out here. Like I said, there's something for everyone here. However people like their steak done. Now there's 3 things that feed my soul. My family, of course.
That would be me.
My cooking, of course.
I think she means our cooking.
All right. And making TV shows.
This was so much fun. They pay you to do this?